Hello everyone, welcome to Junction. In my earlier videos, I have shown what is a tangram and how to make a tangram puzzle. In this video, I am going to show how to make different tangram animals. Now let's make a tangram horse. Here is a tangram whale. A tangram lion. Here is a tangram turtle. Let's make a tangram elephant. This is a tangram cow. This is a tangram snail. Here is a tangram shape of a pig. This is a tangram shape of a rabbit. Here is a tangram shape of a rabbit running. Here is a tangram giraffe. Another way of making a tangram giraffe. This is a tangram dog. Here is another way of making a tangram dog. Let's make a tangram camel. Here I am making a tangram crab. One more way of making a tangram crab. Here is a tangram seal. Here is another way of making a tangram seal. A tangram bear. Here is a tangram fox. This is a tangram cat. Here is another way of making a Tangram cat. This is a Tangram Kangaroo. Here is a Tangram frog. A Tangram panda.